Right, this one then is for you iGCSE people. You've got arithmetic sequences as one of your topics there. And so have a check of this question here. You've got to find the sum of the first 30 multiples of 4. Okay, so you're given, I think, one formula in your formula sheet to do with the sum of an arithmetic series. So you're going to need to use it. Okay, hint, hint. So jot it down, have a go, and I'll catch up with you in a couple of seconds. Okay, time's up, boss. Now, let's get going. We got to get the sum of the first 30 multiples of 4, right? So I would always start by writing out the first few multiples of 4, right? So we're going to have 4, and then 8, and then 12, and then 16, and blah, 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 blah. So what can we see? We can see the first number in the sequence is obviously 4. Now, in terms of using this formula, so this one over here, that's going to correspond to A. Okay, so A is always the first term, which is 4. Then, what is the common difference? So between each term, what are we doing? We're adding 4 each time. So the difference is also 4. So D is 4. And how many numbers are in this sequence? Well, it says here the first 30 multiples, right? So N is going to equal 30. So we've got all the info we need. Now we just need to plug it all into the formula. So S of 30, so what we're saying there is that's the sum of the 30 numbers in this sequence, is going to be 30 over 2, and then 2 lots of 4, because that's the first number, plus 30 take away 1. Let's just pop that in there, 30 take away 1, and then times by the difference there, which is 4. Let's neaten it up. So we've got 15 on the outside, and then 2 times 4, 8. And then what we've got there, 29 times by 4. 29 times 4 is 116. There we go. Neaten that up a tiny bit more. What have you got there? You've got 15 times by 116 plus 8, 124 times that by 15 equals a total of 1860. And there you go. So that's your sum of the first 30 multiples of 4. Perfect. Okay, so not too bad there. We'll be looking at creating a couple more that are a little bit more difficult. So stay tuned for those, and I will catch you in another video very, very soon.